This has been the Welding Machine. You guys have a... If you guys, please hit the like and subscribe. What's up, everybody? This is the Welding Machine, guys, coming back to you guys with another video. This video is going to be a little bit different than normal. One of the things we're going to do, we're going to build some sawbucks, I guess you can call it, but we're going to build it out of steel, some scrap steel that I got. We're going to build 4 of them just so we can start putting the building together and start getting that figured out and getting it processed right now. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. It's going to be like a fabricating video, something that anybody could do. It's a simple project, just do it. That's all you got to do, is just do the project.
Don't let nobody discourage you.
I mean, they're nice and tall and stuff, but they're flimsy. Got to figure out a way to true these things up so they're not so wobbly, you know. Here, let me show you. Then you got to put feet on it so it don't flip over better. Whether that be put like maybe some bracing on it or something, that way it's not so flimsy and wobbly. But we're gonna go ahead and build the other 4. So I look at it like this: either build them out of all the scrap I got, or spend money for them. So I'm gonna build them. Got 2. Got 1 down. Time to go get the other. I do not like welding with flux core. It's cheap and outside it's good. The only bad side is it's kind of like fishing line, where when they wrap it at the factory or wherever they wrap it at, at the factory, it overlaps and then it causes like, it hangs on by like a little. It's so annoying. It makes What's up, everybody? This is the Welding Machine coming back to you guys with another video. Alright guys, so you see it's the Welding Machine. We got the logo right there. We got everything. We're gonna finish these benches that we were making the other day. It got nighttime on us and I think it's supposed to storm here in a little bit. I'm gonna show you guys what we got. That's what we got right there. We got 4 sawhorses already made. Now we're just cutting the legs. We got those almost cut up. Now we're gonna get back into this video, get it welded up, and yeah, so y'all stay tuned. This has been the Welding Machine. It's getting dark in the back, so that means it's coming, guys. Let's get it done. This is the bower. The bower, it features many angles. It features a locking mechanism. You flip it to slide out easily. It even has it's not there anymore. But for low price of bower experience, you can get a bower. Low prices at Bower. Shop HarborFreight.com. We are not supposed to sponsor the Bower. And there's the sticker. take it with a grain of salt, guys. You can get Bauer if you want Bauer. I got Bauer, but yeah, so it's fast, quick, easy, and painless. All right, y'all, so these are the bucks that I made right here. They're all done. That's the last one. And as you guys can tell, it is getting dark out and it's about to start raining. So the rain got to me, but we got all the ways. Got my welding machine hat on. Got a little dirt on it. Welding Machine LLC. It's the true business. It's real. It's not fake. It's not fan fiction. It's legitimatization, y'all. All right, y'all. So we got our bucks on the pad. Y'all gonna probably laugh when you see this. It's like a little train. Choo-choo. All right, so we got our bucks on the blade. This one's kind of, I don't know why that one's. Probably got to put something under there. Here we go. Here's one of the columns we're gonna start welding. Put up. Oh, let me get a far shot. So that's it. We got 4 bucks. Goes all the way across. And it's pretty much going to be bucks, and this is going to be our column. Everything's pretty much level, you know. As far as with the thing, everything's just got to come up. That's got to come up to match that. Probably put a plate under here, bevel it, all sides, weld it out full pin. Forklift, got the part on there. I got to get a longer hose for the it's for the what is that thing called? Oh, vacuum, for the vacuum. So I'll take a video of that. There's just a little update attached to the sawhorse video, saw bucks. We're gonna probably edit that video today. But yeah, guys, we're gonna be starting the building construction soon, and we're gonna have another 20 by 20 pad poured in front of this pad, so I can move the forklift off onto the other pad when I'm using the building. And then that one's gonna be that way, and then there's gonna be another pad being poured. It's gonna be, I'm gonna show you guys like a distance shot. So it's gonna be, dang, I stuck myself. Move my thing out the way. My jack. Alright, so, sorry about that. Wipe my lens off. Sorry. So then there's gonna be concrete from the back building all the way to the edge of this house. All the way down there, 75 feet, I think. 10 foot wide, all the way down to the building. And then we'll wait. Once we pour that, that'd be $4,500. Then we'll pour all the way to the driveway, all the way up. Maybe, I don't know. But septic tanks here. Gonna probably do gravel. Cut all them trees back down. Pull that trailer out of there. And do gravel all the way around the building. And then do gravel up in here. Probably put my material rack here. Or something like that. I don't know. It's being planned out. You know what I'm saying, bro? It's being planned out. Because you know, guys, we do this. Welding machine. Real life. Real life. You know, we do this. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. You guys have a great blessed day. This is you won't see it on Mother's Day. This is just another video for y'all, you know. None of y'all probably won't see it because I got a video scheduled before this that I already made. I've been making a bunch of videos. It's just editing. So a lot of stuff is gonna kind of conflict with each other because it's a little old, but not really old, you know. So it's kind of like some of them is new, some of them is old. And you guys are just gonna like it because you know what? At the end of the day, it's a video for my welding machine family fans. My only welding machine fans. I thought I was gonna say only fans. We don't do that around here. Dang, dude. There we go. That looks better. I was looking kind of like red there for a minute. Skin complexion that came back. All right, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, rate, and subscribe. If you're new to this video channel, thank you guys. This has been the Welding Machine. You guys have a good day. Yeah. Ready? You guys have a day. Hey. Yeah, 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 yeah.